Hello friends, you are here with Mrs. Sheetal Deshpande from Sant Tukaram National Model School, Latur. I welcome you in today's session. We will learn about the latitudes and longitudes. As you know students, our globe is divided into small sections. How the earth is divided into small sections that we saw through a grid. These lines which make that grid are called as a latitudes and longitudes. Horizontal lines drawn parallel to the equator are latitudes. So they are also known as a parallels. This is because these lines do not meet with each other. That's why those lines are called as a parallels. Vertical lines that joins the north and the south pole are longitudes. Let's see the detail about latitude. Equator. An equator is an imaginary line. See, we have here the nice figure in front of you. What is it about? It is about the equator. An equator is an imaginary line around the middle of earth. It is halfway between the north pole and the south pole. It is at the 0° latitude. It divides the planet into a northern hemisphere and a southern hemisphere. The earth is the widest at the equator. There are other important 4 latitudes, which are those. See, first we will see about the Tropic of Cancer. It is called as a northern tropic. See, in this image you can see the one red mark line is there. Whatever the part in between that red mark, it is considered as a torrid zone. But the part which is covered in the northern part, that is called as what? The Tropic of Cancer. It is called as a northern tropic also. It is one of the 5 major circles. It is located at the 23.5° north. I repeat you here. It is located at the 23.5° to the north. This region extends from the equator to the north of a Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer passes to India through 8 states. See which are those. Let's see one by one. Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. These are the 8 states which are covered by Tropic of Cancer. Next, as we will proceed, we have here the Tropic of Capricorn. See, it is 5 major circle. Tropic of Capricorn is called as a southern tropic. It marks southern boundary of tropics. This is the region that spreads from equator south to the Tropic of Capricorn. Now let's see. You can see by this image which I shared here, red marking line is there. What it is? It is nothing but the latitude which named as a Tropic of Capricorn. Next we have important latitude, that is Arctic Circle. Arctic Circle is one of the 5 major circles of a latitude that mark maps on the earth. This is the parallel latitude that runs. Where it has runs? Yes, you are correct. It runs at 66.5° to the north of the equator. It is a latitude that circles the North Pole. Sun rays appear very less in a winter, even though sometime in summer also. Let's learn more about the opposite of this circle. What is that? Yes, you are true. It's the Antarctic Circle. The Antarctic Circle, one of the most important circle. It marks to the south. On the Earth's map, it is located at 66.5° to the south. See, we have here nice image which symbolize the Antarctic Circle, which is located at the South Pole. It is latitude that circles to the South Pole. Now, next we have the features of latitudes. See, as we know, we learned just now the important latitudes: equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. Let's see the features of those latitudes. Latitudes are called parallels. Second, we have it runs from east to west. About the third, there are 181 latitudes. Equator is a great circle. Each parallel of latitude is a circle except North Pole and South Pole. Distance between all parallels remain equal. Length of the latitude should be decreased towards the pole. So in this way we have covered today about the different features of latitudes also. Now what is the today's review? Yes, we learn about the latitudes, equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle and the features of latitudes. Next part of it we will continue in tomorrow's class. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead. Bye-bye.